Good afternoon and welcome at the Swiss booth at Supercomputing 2022 in Dallas. I'm here today with Professor Torsten Hoefler from ETH Zurich, who has been the recipient of the IEEE CS Award, Sidney Fernbach.
The IEEE Computer Society Sidney Fernbach Award honors the memory of one of the pioneers in high-performance computers. Established in 1992, the award is given to an individual in recognition of outstanding contributions in the application of high-performance computers using innovative approaches. The 2022 IEEE Computer Society Sidney Fernbach Award is presented to Dr. Torsten Hoefler, a professor of computer science at ETH Zurich. He is being recognized for application-aware design of HPC algorithms, systems, and architectures, and transformative impact on scientific computing and industry. Dr. Hoefler and his team have been instrumental in developing techniques to improve the efficiency of high-performance computing and large cloud data center systems. Many of the developed ideas form core components for constructing, running, and programming supercomputers such as the ALP system, set to come online at the Swiss National Supercomputing Center in spring 2023. His work includes a focus on improving the performance of highly scalable parallel systems and developing numerous applications in the areas of weather and climate simulation and machine learning. His contributions range from hardware and systems design for HPC to middleware, applications, as well as algorithms. Dr. Hoefler won Best Paper Awards at SC conferences in 2010, 2013, 2014, and 2019, and at other international conferences. He has published numerous peer-reviewed scientific articles and authored chapters of the MPI 2.2 and MPI 3.0 standards. He received the ACM Gordon Bell Prize, the IEEE Computer Society TCSC Award of Excellence, and a Siam Junior Scientist Prize, among others. He is a fellow of the IEEE.
Everyone, please help me in congratulating the 2022 Sidney Fernbach Award recipient, Torsten Hoefler.
Well, thank you for coming and for your time. My first question to you is, what does it mean to be the recipient of such an important award at such a young age?
Thank you, Maria Grazia. I have to say that I'm deeply honored to receive this very important award of our community. And I want to really thank our community for, first of all, enabling to contribute and what I could do, and I will talk more about that tomorrow morning in my related plenary session for the award. I will mention all the contributions that were enabled that I could make, but I also feel deeply honored that the community decided to bestow this award upon me.
Well, you are young, but you have been always very present in the HPC community. So, what are your contribution actually? Could you name some of the contribution that you made in up to now?
Well, they fall mainly into three categories that I'm intensively working on. So, one is networking, low-level networking, like RDMA networks, building new topologies, building the systems aspects of high-performance computers. So, for example, the ALP system being one of those that has that includes some of my ideas early on. The second one is on the programming model. So there's like all of this MPI work that we did, trying to enable application scientists to use all of these low-level features that I just talked about as effectively as possible, but also productively. And the third one are then specific applications that I worked on in my research. So here's, for example, climate sciences and very large-scale AI systems.
Yeah, of course. That's very, very important. You are a computer scientist, but you're actually working very close with the computational scientist and the domain scientist. But now I want to cover another aspect. You always have a very, very successful team. You are a supercomputing. You are always best papers and a lot of papers actually accepted. And I know that you have always a team of very enthusiastic and young people. So Why are you so committed with to form the next generation of young scientists or computer scientists out there?
It's very simple. I simply love working with young people. I see the energy of young people, and I would like to give them more energy to move forward. So a specific example is that I'm teaching parallel programming, so the basis of high-performance computing today, at the second semester. So students just barely understand how to program, and we immediately get them towards parallelism. And then later in the curriculum, I'm teaching high-performance computing as a lecture in the master's level. But actually, I really want to emphasize the early career stage. So in the early career, students are still open for completely crazy ideas in some sense, and they're going forward into this environment. And here at the conference, there is a cluster challenge competition, which has a team from ETH, which were basically my students in the second semester, and they're self-organizing to come here to participate in the competition, and this is great, especially in the collaboration with CSCS. So I'm really grateful also for your help in this whole educational part. That is really the mission of our institution, that I see as my personal mission, to drive research, but also the development of young people, young careers forward.
Thank you. We are also very grateful for collaborating with you. Do you think that your secret is this enthusiasm that you have, and so the young students are, even though it's tough, you are expecting them to really engage and to really learn and try to learn a lot. But do you think that the secret is that you manage to convey this enthusiasm and to really involve them in your research and to make them feel very important and very central?
Yeah, the students are easily inspired by drive. And I like to reflect energy onto the audience when I give a lecture, which is very important, because if we don't reflect energy, why do we do in-person lectures at all? We could be watching videos. But I think in-person lectures are incredibly important because you establish this human connection. And you can take the students, if you really enjoy something, they realize this, and you can take them with you. And that's how I try to teach, and that's the enthusiasm that you mentioned, and that many other people also see.
So I want to really invite you to go to the lecture tomorrow for the award, and I want to thank you, Torsten, for your time, for always talking to us, collaborating with us, and we hope to see you again next year in Denver.
Thank you, Maria.